said that that's always the direction the arrow goes. Whatever that point goes to is the direction of the arrow. So if that helps, awesome. And if it doesn't, then ignore it. Example 2 is going to be a little harder. Much harder, actually. Okay, so this is a good time to pause the video. Remember, there's only one important thing to remember. If you multiply or divide by a negative number when solving an inequality, then flip the sign. Okay, everything else you just solve like normal. So I'm going to have you pause the video right now and write this equation down. It is 4 times, in parentheses, 2x minus 11 is less than or equal to negative 12 plus 2 in parentheses x minus 4. So the first thing you're going to do is distribute and then solve from there, get x's on the same side. And you should pause right now and try it. Do this on your own. Pause, 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 pause. For real, hey, for real. For real, pause it, okay? I see you. One of you is not doing it. Many of you are not doing it. Pause it. All right. So, first thing I'm going to do is distribute to both of them. 4 times 2 is 8x minus 4 times 11 is 44 is less than or equal to, over here I've got negative 12, and then I'm going to distribute the 12 to both, or the 2 to both, which makes 2x minus 8. Okay, and I'm going to tidy up this side next, I think. So I'm going to leave the left side, 8x minus 44 is less than or equal to. Over here I'm going to combine these two because they're on the same side. And remember that's like plus a negative 8, so I've got negative 12 and negative 8 makes negative 20 plus 2x. Alright, I'm going to get the x's on the left, even though you could get them on either side. It just at the end you'd have to kind of flip your inequality to be able to read it. So I prefer getting them on the left. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides, which gives me 6x over here, minus 44. Over here they canceled out, so I get less than or equal to negative 20. Now I did subtract 2x, so that makes you think maybe I should switch my sign, but it's just subtraction. It's not multiplying or dividing by a negative number, so I can leave it alone for now. And then to get 44 on the other side, I'm going to add 44. Which makes 6x is less than or equal to, let's see, negative 20 plus positive 44 makes positive 24. And then I'll divide by 6 on both sides, and I'm dividing by a positive number, not a negative number, so I'm not going to switch my sign. So my answer is x is less than or equal to 4. And then if I put that on a number line, here's 0, here's 4. It's a closed dot because it's an equals to problem, less than or equals to. Closed dot means it's colored in. And this means that my answer is smaller than or equal to 4, where that arrow points kind of to the left. So it goes that way. All right, that's it for the notes. Your homework is 7 whole problems right there, page 353. Numbers 1 and 2 are like the warm-up. So these two are like the warm-up. 6 is kind of like written out in words, but you just kind of transcribe it and then write it down as an equation and solve it. 16 and 19 are like example 1, and 22 and 24 are like example 2. So, good luck. Message me if you have any questions. If you need some help on this stuff because it's getting confusing, make sure you reach out to me and I'll do a video chat with you. I miss you a whole bunch, guys. Bye.